So besides that, black wire has to be cut for the hazardous light to come on to work and the brake light to work. I'm going to show you how to bypass the, well, not bypass, make the factory backup camera works again. In order to do that, you will need a universal fit 12 volt to 6 volt cam step down. This is the model number AXCS-D-6V. We got that going, and then I got the reverse camera right there, which is blue and white from this little plug that I mentioned to you. And then I got the ground, go to the ground right here. And then actually you're gonna need this plug also for it to work. So it is a little bit more works to do this. That's why when they send you with an Android, they send you an aftermarket. That way they don't have to have one of this little piece right there. It's just a lot more work. And also you need to hook this up to this power camera, 6 volt camera power right here. And also with that little plug right there, I'm gonna tell you the models later at the end of the video. And it does come with this one. So I hook this yellow up to the camera. On the Android, this is what you need to hook up right there. On a regular car, on an aftermarket radio, you need to hook it up to the backup camera. So BC, sometimes they call it, or they just say backup camera. Anything yellow, usually a video, either video out or video in. So now I'm gonna run this wire right there to over here. This is when you put on reverse right there. There's a green wire right here, light green wire, pin 11. This will signal the reverse to make your camera works. So I'm gonna start running that wire. So I ran the red wire to the light green pin 11 right there, all the way back over here. I'm gonna put everything back, and don't forget to hook up your camera right here, okay? Your camera jacks. Guys, I know this is gonna work, and hopefully it worked, right? It should work. So let's put on reverse and see what it does. So it does show, but it's blurry. So there's a way to bypass this to make it to come on right. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. Okay, what do you think?
I think
it's a customer right there. I feel bad for him because it's not my fault. It's the Android people's fault, but I kind of want to play with it, so I was kind of like, let me try this thing, because a lot of people don't want to try it. I'm the type that I want to play it. That's why I'm a YouTuber, because I want to test things out. Yes, sure. And what's your name?
Bernard.
Bernard? Yeah. Sorry about your tickets, man. That's okay. Android should do something for you. At least send something for you, man. Right. So yeah,
I'm happy the camera is working now.
Yep, everything's good. So yep. So as I mentioned earlier, you will need this harness right here. 1731 Honda Civic. It does come with a plug. The plug's gonna look like this, and a camera right here. See this? This is a plug. And it comes with the hookup for a steering wheel control and everything. It comes with 2 wires. If you're gonna need that for to hook up that backup camera, or you can hot wire it if you want, but don't need hot wiring.